Yeah. Yeah.
To go, Mario. All right, so what's up, guys? Professor AlgeBro. We're going to do multi-step equations today. Now, basically, this is what we're going to do. It's going to take more than one step to solve this math problem. Now, I do it a particular way. I'm going to show you how I do it. First, I'm going to combine my terms that are like together, and I do them with what I call combining like term brackets or CLT brackets. So I will combine these two terms together, and I will combine these two terms together. Okay, so first things first, 3x plus 4x is going to give me 7x. All right, now 5 minus 12 gives me -7, and that's going to equal 14. So I've gone from all this mess to a two-step equation. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to undo subtraction with addition. Now that creates what's called a zero pair. So that brings 7x down on this side, and I have 14 plus 7 is 21. Last step, I undo multiplication with division, and I have x equals 3. Now, all this deals with how you look at stuff. Now, I've had kids that will say, well, I just do the number first. There's a process. Start with the variable. Always try to get the variable, either whether it be on this side or this side, it doesn't matter. Always work with the variable first. One more and then we'll be done. I'm going to give you this problem and then I'm going to let you try to solve it. 3 times the quantity x minus 2 plus 2 times the quantity x minus 1 equals 6x plus 5. Pause the video, solve the problem, come back to me. Okay, now, first thing I'm going to do is called the distributive property. Now, this is what I teach my kids. I do this, I do this, and what this tells them is to multiply. Why do I do this? Because I have kids all the time that go, hey, I got the wrong answer. I'll go over and look and find out. You didn't distribute the term on the outside to both terms on the inside. So 3 times x is 3x. 3 times 2 is 6, so that's -6, plus, always respect the sign. If this was negative, it'd be, or minus, it'd be -2. So 2 times x is 2x, and then 2 times -1 is -2, equals 6x plus 5. We had this same kind of situation come up in the last problem, so we're going to have to use our combining like term brackets, or our CLT brackets. We're going to combine these two together. We're going to combine these two together. All right, so 3x plus 2x is 5x. -6 minus 2 is -8. Equals 6x plus 5. Now, this is something I do. You don't have to, but I get the variable on one side, and I try to make the variable stay positive. You could subtract 6x from both sides, but I'm going to subtract 5x from this side and 5x from this side. That creates that. Now, since I got rid of this side, I need to bring this over here. So -8 minus 5 is -13. I do something in geometry called the symmetric property, so I switch it around. No matter where you go, math is there later. AlgeBros, if you like what you saw, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel later.